This is Jinan, China. Jinan, a beautiful city moistened by spring. The city is of more than 4,000 years history. The traditional town, which had developed heavy industry more than 60 years, located in the north of China. Liaoyuan Machine is one of the most outstanding companies in industrial enterprise Jinan. After 20 years' effort with extremely fast speed, Liaoyuan Machine had become a modern, large-scale, comprehensive advanced technology enterprise group, which integrated with machinery manufacturing, non-ferrous metal casting, and windows and doors curtain wall machine processing. Main products covered CNC steel structure processing machinery, CNC car parking garage production line, CNC iron tower equipment, CNC steel sheet processing machine, UPVC, and aluminum windows, door, and curtain wall processing equipment. Our persistent pursuit in innovation of technology and company policy, advanced technology and professional talent being introduced, the international advanced processing equipment being used, the international standards being executed, the international advanced design idea and technology being absorbed, international well-known key parts being used, those make product quality continuously upgraded. We have obtained ISO 9001 and CE quality certificates, and our products have already been sold all around the China domestic and overseas market. The people are able to perform wonders with gold finger. The core competitiveness of Liaoyuan Machine is large-scale mechanical processing equipment of international advanced level and the team that had strong technology. At present, the Liaoyuan Machine has more than 200 sets of excellent mechanical processing equipment with high accuracy and high automation, which is leading the development in domestic same trade, including CNC floor standing boring milling machine, planar milling machine, horizontal machine center, Doppler laser interferometer, coordinate measuring machine, then rare large CNC processing equipment, high-end processing and measuring equipment. Because of having such high precision equipment, Liaoyuan Machine could ensure that each product is of best quality. The enterprise have become professionalization, large, integration of production, quality control system, which have improved the core competitiveness of the products. Liaoyuan Machine is in an invincible position among the fierce market competition. The first-rate facilities and team create the top quality products of Liaoyuan. CNC High-Speed 3-Axis Machining Center. This machine is designed for processing water slot, taping, milling, mounting holes, locking loose, and other slots for diversified curtain walls, aluminum doors, and windows. It adopts high-quality industrial computer control system, servo motor system, high-speed electric axis, ball screw, and roller linear guide. Also with double work table, makes the machine high precision and high efficiency.